So children, after knowing about the perimeter of square, let us see how we find out perimeter of a rectangle. Now when I am talking a rectangle, you know a rectangle has four sides, okay? Two horizontal sides and two vertical sides. The vertical sides we call it as breadth, okay? The vertical lines we call it as breadth and the horizontal lines we call it as length. So this L is for length and this B is for breadth. Another thing, when we are talking about rectangle, two sides are opposite, sides are equal to each other. It means if AB is 4 cm, then DC will also be 4 cm. If AD is 2 cm, then BC is also 2 cm. In this way, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal to each other. Now when we are seeing formula for perimeter of a rectangle, the formula is 2 multiplied by AB. Why 2 multiplied by AB? Because AB and DC are equal to each other. Two sides we are identifying here. Plus 2 multiplied by BC. Okay, this is the BC. So the next step, 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Here length is DC, okay, and breadth is BC. So this 2 is common for both the things. For length we have written 2, for breadth also we have written 2. Then the next is perimeter of rectangle. The formula will be 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Here 2 is common for both length and breadth. So we have separated that 2 and in bracket we have written length plus breadth. Okay, this is the formula for your rectangle of a perimeter. Now children, let us see that example. Example number 5 in your textbook. Perimeter of rectangle. Now length is given and breadth is given. So length is 40 cm, okay, and breadth is 16 cm. If this side is 40, definitely this side is also 40. If this side is 16, definitely this side is also 16. So let us find the perimeter of the rectangle. Children, what we know for this? We know that length is given and breadth is given. So let us find the perimeter of rectangle. Again, what is our formula for that? Our formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, this is the formula and you have to learn this formula. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So 2 will come here as it is. The sign of multiply will come as it is. Now what is our length? Our length is how much? 40 cm. It is given in the question only. Okay, length is 40 cm. Plus sign will also come as it is. And what about breadth? How much our breadth is given? Our breadth is given 16. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 40 plus 16 cm. Then in our next step we have to solve it. Again 2 will come as it is. Multiply will come as it is. And let us solve this now. 40 plus 16. 40 plus 16 is equal to 56. Then again next step we have to do multiplication. And when we multiply 2 with 56, we got our answer 112 centimeter. So children, this was the formula and this was our answer. And at the end of your this thing you have to write, thus the perimeter of the rectangle is 112 centimeter. So children, now let us see the book exercise. Now we have seen how we find out perimeter of rectangle, triangle, square and other shapes. Now let us see the exercise number 2, that is on page number 106. So the first question they have asked, this is a very simple question, that find the perimeter of the following figures. Some kind of figures they have given. They have given the measurement as well. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of that figure. Now here they have given how many sides that a figure having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is our formula? Our formula is perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Okay, sum of all the sides. Now this I have written 3 plus this 4 plus this 5. Okay, again plus 4, again plus 3. Okay, so this, if I am going to give name for that, DE is 4 centimeter and again AE is 3 centimeter. We have to add all the together. So let us all count it. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then 7 plus 5 is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 and 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. So our answer is 19 centimeter. Here you understand, children, all perimeter of this figure we have to sum all the sides together. They have given measurement for each side. Okay, we have to take this measurement and put it in the formula and we got our final answer. Same way for this also. 4 plus 3. Okay, if I am going to solve this, again I am going to give name A, B, C and D. So my answer will be 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6, and you have to count all the sides together. There you are going to write your perimeter of this figure. Children, from question number 1, I have solved 2 examples for you. Rest of the sum you have to do it on your own. Now let us move on to the question number 2. Now find the perimeter of a triangle. Okay. Again, 3 sides. As we all know, a triangle has 3 sides. Okay. They have given the measurement. So for our thinking purpose, we can draw that triangle and we are going to name it as A, B and C. Let us write the sides for that. It is of 8 centimeter, okay, then 7 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Again, what is our formula for this? Sum of all the sides. So 8 plus 7 plus 11 is equal to, okay, 8 plus 7. So this triangle we have drawn here. And remember, children, the sides are different. Okay, the length is given different here. So we cannot tell that it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, why? Because all the 3 sides are different here. Okay, all the 3 sides, the measurement of all the sides are not equal. So 8 plus 7, let us all count together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Then again 15 plus 11 is equal to 6 and this 2. So the final answer for the perimeter of a triangle is 26 centimeter. In this way you have to write this perimeter. Now let us see the question number 6, children. The perimeter of a square cloth is given 220 centimeters. So let just imagine this is the piece of that cloth. Okay. Now they have not given the sides here, they have given total perimeter. Means this side, this and this together it becomes 220 centimeter. Okay. We have to find here length of the side of the square cloth. We have to find the length of each side. Total they have given the perimeter 220 centimeter. But for us, we have to, in question they have asked what is the side of that cloth. So our formula for perimeter of a square is 2 multiplied by sides. Okay. The formula for that is 2 multiplied by side. Our formula is 4 multiplied by sides. As it is a square, children, sides are given 4 here. Okay, 4 multiplied by sides. But here sides are not given. Okay, directly perimeter is given. Sides are not given. So what we are going to do? We are going to do this 4 is going to shift it under this, and we have to divide. Okay, for finding this sides, we have to shift it this 4 to the left side, and when we are shifting this 4, that 4 is going to get in a division position. So let us all divide this. 4 5s are 20. Okay, and this next 20. 4 5s are 20. So in this way, if I get the square or length of that square, 55 55 will be this centimeter, then 55 will be this side, 55 of this, and the last side is also 55. Here children, you might be feeling little difficult because it's a different sum. The formula is same, okay? The formula is 4 multiplied by sides, but the given perimeter is given here, okay? So for finding the sides, we have to divide over there. Now, the next, that is your 8th sum is given. The length and breadth of a rectangular park are 96 meters and 64 meters. Okay. Find the length of the wire needed to fence all around the rectangular park. Now the question is very easy. Again, length and breadth is given. We have to find out the perimeter of that rectangle. So again, we have written the formula here. The formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So let us solve. Again, 2 will come here. Now what is the length? The length is 96. And what is the breadth? The breadth is 64. So we have to solve that next. Okay. And the 2 multiplied by 96 plus 64. In your rough notebook you can solve this. 96 plus 64. This 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, this one will go carry forward here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So 160 centimeter multiplied by 2. Again you have to do your division work here. 160 multiplied by 2. So let us all multiply here. 2 zeros are 0, 6 2s are 12. This one will go up. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So your final answer will be 320 centimeter. In question it is given in meters, so in your answer also you are going to write the answer in meters only. Okay. Now one more time look in that sum. Rectangular park is given, length is also given, okay, and breadth is also given. So the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now 2 I have written as it is. This 96 is our length and this 64 is our breadth. Okay. Then 2 multiplied by this 96 plus 64 is equal to 160, and then 2 multiplied by 160 is 320 meter. So this is your final